come here. Beautiful. Come and do a bit of cooking. Oi. Penny and I are going to make pasta with sausage and kale, which I call polpetto with gemelli. This is a very quick recipe and it all cooks in the same pot, which is brilliant. Penny is busy putting pasta in a pot for me, which is very helpful. If you haven't got any shallots, then you could just use about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, finely sliced. I'm just going to grab these shallots, bring them over here, whack the heat up, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and then we're just going to very quickly saute these shallots, and at the same time we're going to add some whole fennel seeds, which I love, and if you don't want to use it, of course, that's fine. So this is the cheese bit. So it's really simple. We're just going to use sausages to make instant meatballs. So you slip it out of the skin and throw it in the pan. Ordinarily, if you were making your own meatballs, you'd probably mix it with spices and herbs and maybe a bit of breadcrumbs, whereas you don't have to do any of that. It's all here. I think that's enough for you and me, Penny. Turn the heat up. Stock. I've just bought some packaged vegetable stock. We're gonna put all 400 ml in because we're gonna add the pasta and that's gonna absorb some of the liquid. Okay, so we've reached a rumbling boil here and I'm literally gonna throw in a couple of handfuls of pasta and then that'll take about 4 minutes to cook. Right, so our pasta is ready. So now I'm just going to add 2 generous handfuls of kale that I've trimmed, but you could use a different vegetable. Even if you were putting in frozen peas, just 2 minutes before the end is fine. So I think we're ready to go. There, I'm going to serve her first and let it cool down a little bit. That's probably enough for her. And there we go. Bigger pieces, there we go. There we go. Lunch for 2.